Want me to lift it up? Here. It helps you get dry. It does. Look, you feel that? Oh no. Good girl. Good boy. Am I mean? Oh, now. It's okay. I'm not picking you up. You can stay on the floor. Peter, do you want to come say hi to it at all? Oh, look at you guys. Isn't it funny? Is it funny? You like it? Oh, you are brave. Look how brave. Are you eating the air? Good boy, Peter. What a good baby. Hey, sister. Oh, she says, just let me out. Are you ready? You like it. Oh, yes. Open your mouth. Oh, get it. What you think, handsome? Oh, did you guys bust open Mr. Frog? I see some fuzz. You did. All right. So there's Mitch. Mitch. Hi, handsome. Peter. Hi. Amy. Jack. Oops, what happened to the dryer? There's Jack. Getting the dryer. Lou, what is it? Lou really wants back out. Tim. Oh, he's all about the dryer now, too. Okay, here. We put it a little bit farther. And you can even turn it up a little bit. Ooh, now it's really blowing. Jack is gonna get it. Ooh, so's Amy. She's chasing the air. Oh, Jack is gonna take the hose. Whoa. Get it, Jack. He's serious. He likes this toy. The black boys are like, I don't think so. I don't think so. You guys can have it. It's Amy. Look at these two. Merle boys. Oh, you guys are a hoot. All right. We're heading to blow dry before bed. Have a good weekend, everyone. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. We're watching the Christmas Story. Say bye-bye, Lou.